9:30, what we gonna get into? Choppy market conditions, man. Let's see. 30 is dropping. Yeah, let's see what we getting into. Waiting for the 15-minute candle to close, then we get in. I want to take buys from down here, take it back up to TP2, baby. Okay, first trade of the day. TP1 hit, let's go. Stops at break even. Let's see if we get TP2, baby. Copy trade is up. I'm on TP2. Hey, let's go. My boy, we up for the day, yeah. 7 accounts passed live. We up. Hey, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Keno Brown, and it's another great day to be great. You already know, you're about to jump on the call with the VIP. And we're about to see if we can make some money. Right now, I'm so close to passing 7 accounts with the copy trader so I can start getting paid. Come on, man. Right now, I'm up about 2,000 on 7 accounts. I just need 1,000 more to pass all of them, and I'm Gucci. So, without further ado, let's start the live with the VIP. Let's go. For me, I'm just a one schedule type of dude. From 9 to 11, I'm done. I don't want to even know what's happening on the charts after that. I'm done. I like to spend less time on the charts. The least amount of time on the charts, the better for me. The charts is so annoying, bro. I'm telling you, it's annoying. It's going to mess with your emotions, bro. It's designed to mess with your emotions. That's why I like to stay off of it. Ooh, 30 is dropping, bro. 30 is dropping. Yeah, let's see what we getting into. Damn. So what you looking for, buys? Damn. Yeah, because we ran the lows. We ran previous day lows. Then yesterday we ran previous day highs. It's chopped, bro. I'm just trying to be in alignment with the charts, man. Damn. It's pulling back. I don't like that wick now. Do I want to go longs? Damn. Look at that wick. I don't know, bro. I'm so confused. I want to go longs and I can see shorts. It's like, I might wait for this 15-minute candle to close. Then I'll make a decision because I'm very indecisive right now. I want to take buys. I do. Like it's happening already, but I'm a little nervous. Look at that. TP1 about to get hit. Okay, I like that close. I'll take it. Let's see if we get tapped in. Risking 500 on this trade, one and done. I ain't gonna take no other trades for today. I don't like how it's moving. It looks weird. Okay, first trade of the day. Let's see if we get a hit. All right, don't fail me now. Come on, I waited. I was patient. Come on, don't fail me now. Bless me. Oh, TP1 hit. I was patient. Patient pays. I was patient. Come on, TP2. Come on, TP2. I'm a trail it just so I can leave this trade with something. Just in case. Hey, man. Same, man. Look. Hey, look. Hey. Let's go. Yo, I just passed 7 accounts live, bro. 7 accounts, bro. Yo. As you've seen, I did it live. In front of y'all. Listen, I'm like that. I can't make it up. I feel like I'm just in tune with the markets right now because I've been hitting back to back. So that's 3 days I've been hitting. I don't care about a win streak, honestly. Win streaks means nothing to me. It just matters about your ROI, risk to reward, all that. Risk management, all that. But it is good to say that I passed all the accounts. I came in with a plan. It was hard to read the charts this morning, but I stayed patient. Most importantly, to see the trade play out, and then it did. So now we in there. Let's go, man. About to take my little man for a walk real quick, and then I'm gonna be back to break down the charts for you guys, to show you guys how I made money, how I did it. How did I do it? How? I got you. Let me go for a walk. So, what's good, y'all? I am back from my walk, man. Let's get into it. Let's get busy. Let's get active. Hello. I'm going to break down the charts to you to show you how I was able to, basically pass 7 accounts, funded accounts. And I really did it in like 3 days. I've been trading these 7 accounts for at least the past 3 weeks, really the past 2 weeks, because last week I was away on vacation, so I wasn't trading on vacation. But for the last, I would say 2 weeks, it took me 2 weeks to get it done. But I'm here, man. I would say put God first. Pray, ask Him for guidance, ask Him to help you, and you will achieve everything through God, through Christ. You gotta trust Him, man. Anyway, this is what the charts look like, man. I took this W. Look at this W. Oh, look at this W, man. You can't get no better than this. I'm gonna show you what it looked like on the 1 minute. TP5 hit on this trade. Look at TP5. I don't even need TP5. But look, TP2 got my little TP2 in and out, man. Let me show you what the copy trader look like. Look at the copy trader. 1, 2, 3. Wait, one of the accounts left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of the accounts, I don't know, probably disconnected. There we go. All 7 accounts. So 7 accounts connected to the copy trader. I'm gonna add more. So once I activate these ones, I'm gonna add more. Why stop? I just keep going. Let's just keep going. I don't know how I'm gonna, I just trust God to give me the guidance that I need to continue going on. But this is how the charts look like. Let me show you what it looked like when I first got on the charts. Let's do it. So, as you guys know, I always start on the 1 hour time frame. I always start on the 1 hour time frame. Right? So let me get rid of the drawings. Show you guys what the markets look like. Drop this down. Oh, as you can see too, like this is the account too. This is the leader account. So I'm up 3,600 on the leader account. The rest of them are they're up like 3,200 or whatever. But the leader account, the Apex account. As you can see, trend is bearish. Look at the trend, bearish. You can see on the 1 hour time frame, we're making lows. It's obvious, right? Let me put my chart markups back. Where are my chart markups? There we go. So these are my chart markups. What do I want to do every day when I come on the charts? What do I want to do? I want to identify the trend. I want to identify the trend of the day, the trend of the week, or the trend of the past couple of days. So I know I'm in alignment with the markets, because as long as you're in alignment with the market, it's easy to make money, because you're rolling with the big dogs. You're already moving in the direction that they're moving in, right? So it's not hard to win as long as you're moving with the big dogs, the people who are in control. We are little fishes. We are little people. We are little pennies, little droplets in the ocean of money. We do not control not a dang thing at all. So we just want to be in alignment. So as you can see, we made lows yesterday, which ran previous day lows right here. These lows ran these previous day lows and these previous day lows. Right. So I'm like, all right, market should start dropping. Woke up today, looked at the markets. Markets ran previous day highs. This high ran previous day highs right here. I'm like, we in a consolidation. I don't like that. We're in a little consolidation zone. So I'm like, all right, cool. I'm not gonna focus on the bigger time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. Why? Because it's in a chop. It's in a chop. So let's go down to a smaller time frame, like the 15-minute time frame. Let's see if we can focus on what's happening in the day, the trend of the day, to make money. Right? So if you guys look, oh god, I didn't mean to do that. If you look on the trend of the day is bullish, right? From the start, from the lows of yesterday. Once it ran the lows of yesterday, create a high, create a low, create a high, create a low, create a high, and then create a low, right here, and then create a new high right there. So where are my areas of interest? Right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. Because those are the last previous structure points. I want to only pay attention to the important structure points. You see all this noise right here where price is going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, it's going up, going down. This is all noise. This is all noise. Why is it noise? Why do I say it's noise? Because it didn't run this high. So all of this structure being created within this, it didn't run the major support zone right here. The major support or resistance zone. This is the major structure zone right here. It didn't break that high or low. So I'm not worried about it. I'm not pressed. All of this in here, all of this movement right here, it's all noise to me, honestly. So I'm waiting for this price to get hit or up here to get hit. Watch what happens at 9:30. Let's fast forward to 2 candles. Boom. 2 candles going into 9:30. Watch what happens at 9:30. 9:30, we seen a boom, big drop. Wait, come on, hurry up. Boom, big drop. Boom, another drop. Boom, another drop. I was like, okay, so we already in the zone that I like to take a trade from, right? So I'm gonna show you. Price came up here, right? Then this is where the 15-minute candle closures come into play. This is where high time frame candle closures come into play. I really want you guys to grasp this, because every time I'm on the lower time frame looking for my entry, I'm always paying attention to the 1 hour and the 15-minute. I want to see how the candles close, because based on how the candles close, it's telling you who's winning or who's losing. Like you can see the buildup of the pressure of the buyers or the sellers. So let's pay attention to this candle. This candle right here is the 9:30 candle. Look at how it dropped dramatically into the area of interest, right? Now let me fast forward this side of the candles. Boom, 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 boom. Then it started wicking. This wick that you see right here, this is what it was forming. I was like, I was confused at first, like what trade idea when I want to take. But I'm like, I'm gonna be patient. Let me see the 9:30 candle. Well, basically 9:45. It's the 9:30 to 9:45. It's that 15-minute candle. I want to see how it closes. Based on how it closes, it's going to tell me who's in control. Because yes, on the high time frame, 1 hour time frame, it definitely could keep dropping. But on the 15-minute time frame, it looks bullish. It looks like it can go up. It's been buying up since yesterday. Today, going to 9:30, it dropped. Probably grab some liquidity. Then it's going back up, right? That's the thought process. So I'm like, let me wait. Let me be patient to see that the 9:45 candle closes. So boom, price came right here to my entry. This is where I wanted to enter originally, but I did not enter here because the candle didn't close yet. But I wanted to enter here, right here at this point. But I wanted to be cautious, because as again, the 1 hour is showing me something different from the 15-minute time frame. So I'm only just focusing really on the 15-minute time frame because the 1 hour was confusing me. Basically, it had no real clear direction. It was in a consolidation. So I was really just focused on the 15-minute time frame. So I wanted clear direction from the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute, what do you want to do? Who's in control? So it's 9:43, 9:44, 9:45. Look at the 9:45 candle. This is how it closed. This is how the candle closed. What does this look like? A huge wick with a small base. So price dropped all the way down here. Then it pushed all the way back up. Who's winning? If the sellers tried to go down here, but the buyers took it all the way back up, who's winning? Especially if it ran the area of interest. Who's winning? The buyers are winning. The buyers are winning because you could see it in the candle, how it closed. You can see who's winning. So I already know buyers are winning. So, all right, I wanted to get in here. Still going to get in there because that's the area that I want to get in. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait. I waited. Very next candle, 9:46. That 9:46 candle tapped me in. It pretty much happened fast as heck after this. So 9:46, 9:47, 9:48. 9:48 got TP2 in 3 minutes, really. It was like 2.5 minutes. 3 minutes. TP1, excuse me. TP1 in like 3 minutes. Right? 9:48, 9:49, 9:49. TP2 in 4 minutes. That's all it took. 4 minutes, dog. 4 minutes for me to get TP2 and to lock in about what's 900 times. I got you. My fault. I math wasn't always my best. So it was like $990 times 7. So about $6,000. $6,000 was made in 4 minutes. Where can you do that at? What job can you do this at? What field can you make $9,000 as a worker? What can you do? I don't know anything that you could do. You have to be an entrepreneur. You have to do something that allows you to multiply money fast. So that could be sales. I don't even think, you could do sales. You could make that much money in 1 hour. Definitely can in sales. That could be sales. That could be internet marketing. That could be coaching. If you make coaching calls and you have a high ticket offer, you could definitely make lots of money. Trading, right? Drop shipping or YouTube, but YouTube takes a little bit more time to accumulate because they only pay you like once a month, I believe. But where can you do this in a regular job, a regular 9 to 5? You can't do this nowhere. And I'm in my house behind this computer, I'm talking to the VIPs because I did this live, but I don't need to talk to them to do this. I don't need to talk to no one. I don't need to answer to no one. I just wake up, jump on my computer, 4 minutes. I don't need to communicate with a soul to make this much money. $6,000. You get me, bro? You get me? $6,000. But obviously this was the challenge account, but let's just say this was a account that's already passed and I can get legit payouts from it. $6,000. Imagine a $6,000 payout. You feel me? Just trading is a glitch, bro. It's a money glitch. It really is. So if you want to learn, please learn from me. Hit the link in the description. Hit my WAP channel. Hit my YouTube. You're already here. Just subscribe to me. I drop gems all the damn time. I just want to help you guys as much as I can and to help you get to my level. I don't even feel like I'm nowhere crazy. I just have an understanding of what I'm doing so I can accumulate wealth faster. And I believe I'm way more capable than what I was 2, 3, 4 years ago when I first started to be able to help you do what you want to do or accomplish what I'm doing in the markets today. So that's my video, y'all. Till next time. Peace out.